Hello students, myself Patil Sunanda. I teach EVS. As we know, due to COVID-19, we all are at home in lockdown. But knowledge is never stop. Knowledge is never stop of education. So we will start our unit. In 4th standard we have 27 total chapters. In first semesters we divided the chapters 13 chapters for semester first. First chapter is going to school. Going to school, let's meet some children and see how they reach school. Many places are, we will see students have so many problems for commute or transportations. We all know very well how to come you school. You have come to school by bus, by van, right? Here is so many problems. First is bamboo bridge. Let's see how to come children by bamboo bridge. It rains so much where we live sometimes after the rain. Here children says so many rain. It rains so much where we live. They are living there. They have so much rain. Sometimes after the rain there is knee-high water everywhere. Sometimes what happen? They are sometimes knee-high water everywhere. Knee-high water means, but that does not stop us from getting to school. But that does not stop us from getting to school. Here is a knee-high water, but students are not stop or not live at home. They are going to school due to knee-high waters. Here is what happens sometimes. In our case, sometimes rain is little bit heavy. Students or mom also says, आज स्कूल नहीं जाना है, चलेगा. But they are knee-high water, but does not stop us from getting to schools. We hold our books in one hand. What happened? They hold their books. They hold their books in one hand, and we quickly cross the bamboo and rope bridge to reach school. We hold our books in one hand, bamboo with the other hand. In one hand they hold the bamboo and in other hands they hold the books. We quickly cross the bamboo. They quickly cross the bamboo and rope bridge to reach school. See here, students have so many problems, knee-high waters everywhere, but that does not stop us from getting school. They are hold their books in one hand and they hold the bamboo in other hands. We quickly cross the bamboo. They are quickly cross the bamboo and rope bridge to reach schools. Now we will see second is the trolley. Here is a bamboo bridge. This is the bamboo bridge. Students are walking here by hold the bamboo. Second is the trolley. Trolley means, I draw the picture here. So you see, if you have a textbook, you see in your textbook a bamboo bridge and a trolley. Second is the trolley. Every day we have to cross the river to get to schools. Every day students cross the river. It's too tough. They cross the river to get to schools. The river is wide and deep. River is wide and deep. There is a strong iron rope across the river. There is a strong iron rope to hold the trolley on both the sides. It is tied tightly with strong trees or rocks. There are a strong iron rope across the river on both the sides. Both the sides is a strong iron rope. It is tied tightly with the strong trees or rocks. There is a trolley, can open box made of wood. What is the meaning of trolley? Here is an open wooden box. An open box made of wood. Trolley means a wooden box. Like maybe we saw at Pavagad, there is a wooden khatola. Similarly, here is a trolley. We call here trolley. Attached with rope 4 or 5 of us. In the trolley, how many seats? 5 or 4 or 5. Pulley helps trolley to move across the rope. Pulley in trolley to move across the rope. There is an iron rope and they cross easily the river. The other side of the river in a short time. So very easily they cross the deep and wide river by trolley. In next thing, cement bridge. Students are also going by cement bridge. Students are also going by columns, and students are also going to school by camel carts. We will see in the next lectures. If you have textbook, so you read this lesson and understand. Thank you students. Have a nice day.